So, are you interested in the Evolu-SHIN Magic Set? Okay then. Hello everyone. Today I feel compelled to make this video because it's on the topic of everything that's on this channel. It's just I don't feel like really delving into it any further. This is about the Shin Lim Magic Set. I don't personally recommend the Shin Lim Magic Set. In regards to everything else we've looked at on this channel, to me, that set, it feels like it's trying not to be like a toy, when clearly that's what everything in the box is. In fact, everything in the box is really just a lot of paper products all kind of spread out, so that way you can have this big box to display and that will garner interest. The set is marketed for ages 10 and up, which is good because there aren't that many sets out there that market to that age group. I think past 10 years old, if you want to start learning about magic or even Shin Lim, just start learning about Shin Lim. He has plenty of products that you can look through so you can understand the work that he does. Now let's play devil's advocate for a second. Let's imagine the box was like half the size that it is, or even smaller, just to accommodate the deck of cards, the card box, and the paper stuff. Just stack it all on top of each other, just so it's all flat in this nice little box, and then move the booklet just to a PDF download that you can get later. At that point, there's just isn't enough material covered in the course at that point to warrant it being like essential for your magic education, because all these things are just going to come up later. And again, like I said, the props are still just too toy-like. So maybe as a memorabilia piece, or if you're younger than 10, like between 8 and 10, and pick this up, that'd be fine. But I just know there's other stuff out there with more to learn from. They market it as Shin Lim has little acts that he does with each of the props, but you know, anyone can play with toys, is my personal opinion. I don't really see that as a major selling point, because it's not that difficult to make a routine with the same objects. If you have a trick that uses a coin and then another trick that uses a coin, you can put them in whatever order you want or works for the logistics of it. Or like, if you have a trick where you produce 4 aces and then another trick with 4 aces, of course you're gonna follow them back to back. It's not, you don't need Shin Lim to tell you that. The thing about magic sets is that you can play with them however you want. Now, if you have this set already, I'm not gonna tell you that you should just like throw it away or something. If you have it and you enjoy it, that's perfectly fine. Have fun, please. It's just, it doesn't fall in line with like the way that I want magic sets to be produced. So I don't want to touch it. So I'm sorry to be so much of a downer for my videos. Again, if you like it, that's perfectly fine. Go ahead, please enjoy it. I just have my own opinions of how I like things done. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time.